Sri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 6th Subject Physics.
Good afternoon students, welcome to Physics online class, chapter 11, Light, Shadows and Reflections. In this lesson, we have to discuss about light, shadows, mirrors and reflections and pinhole camera. In the previous class, we have already discussed about luminous and non-luminous objects. So based upon the emitting of light, the objects can be divided into luminous and non-luminous objects. What are luminous objects? Objects which emit light of their own are called luminous objects. Example, sun, bulb, candle, etc. And what are non-luminous objects? Objects which do not emit light of their own are called non-luminous objects. Example, table, book, chair, stone, and so many things in this category. So is moon a luminous or non-luminous object? Is moon a luminous or non-luminous object? Yes, moon is a non-luminous object. It does not have its own light, but even it shine. How is it shine? Because the sunlight falls on the moon and the moon reflects the sunlight. So this is very important. Moon is a non-luminous object. So now today we have to discuss about three types of objects, that is opaque object, transparent object and translucent object. Based upon the passing of light through this object, it can be divided into three groups, that is transparent, translucent and opaque. So objects are of three types, that is transparent, translucent and opaque, depending on their ability to allow light to pass through them. So first, transparent objects. What are transparent objects? Transparent objects which allow light to pass through them easily are called transparent objects. Example, clear water, a plain glass, air, etc. So in this transparent object, we can see on the other side of the objects very clearly. There are some objects through which we can see but not very clearly. Such objects are known as translucent. So what are translucent? Objects which allow some amount of light to pass through them are called translucent objects. So in this translucent objects, the objects on the other side we cannot see clearly. Example, muddy water, polythene bag, polythene cover, smoke, etc. So next, opaque object. Opaque objects which do not allow the light to pass through them, that is, it completely blocks the light which falls on them, are called opaque objects. Activity 1. Look around yourself and collect as many objects: eraser, plastic scale, pen, pencil, notebook, single sheet of paper, tracing paper or a piece of cloth. Try to look at something far away through each of these objects. Is light from a faraway object able to travel to your eye through any of the object? Record your observations in the table. We see that a given object or material could be transparent, translucent or opaque, depending on whether it allows light to pass through it completely, partially or not at all.